Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions while keeping it fun. Today, we've got a showdown between two powerful cleaning machines. On my left, we have the GorFanty Steam Mop, the 10-in-1 floor steamer that could probably clean your house and cook you dinner if it wanted to. And on my right, we have the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, which promises to clean your floors with just heat and water, because who needs chemicals when you have good old-fashioned steam, right? First up, let's talk about the price. The GorFanty comes in at a whopping $119, which some reviewers find a bit steep, but worth the investment for its versatility and effectiveness. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is a budget-friendly $74. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, making it a great choice for those looking to save a few bucks without sacrificing cleaning power. Now, let's move on to cleaning power. GorFanty boasts a high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, with reviewers praising its ability to tackle tough messes like greasy oven films and bathroom grime effectively. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil uses heat and water, which users find effective for sealed hard floors, but some wonder if it can handle more stubborn stains as well as GorFanty does. Next up, heat up time. GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds, a feature that many reviewers love, noting how quick it is to get started. The Dirt Devil takes about 30 seconds, which is still decent, but some users wish it could heat up faster to get cleaning done in a hurry. When it comes to versatility, GorFanty is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, coming with 10 accessories for every cleaning nook and cranny imaginable. Reviewers rave about its multifunctional capabilities, while the Dirt Devil keeps it simple with a 180-degree swivel head. Users appreciate the simplicity, but some feel it lacks the extra tools that GorFanty offers. Now, let's talk about cord length. GorFanty sports a 23-foot ultra-long cord, allowing users to roam freely while cleaning, which is a big hit among reviewers. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil has a more compact cord, which some find limiting for larger spaces, although it makes for easier storage. In summary, reviewers generally find the GorFanty Steam Mop to be a powerful and versatile tool that excels in cleaning various surfaces quickly and effectively. However, some users wish it had a cordless option. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and ease of use, particularly for sealed hard floors, but it may not tackle tougher stains as effectively as the GorFanty. So which mop should you choose? If you're all about versatility and power, and your budget can handle it, GorFanty is your go-to cleaning sidekick. But if you're looking to save some cash and just want to keep it simple, the Dirt Devil has your back. Remember folks, whether you choose the GorFanty or the Dirt Devil, the real winner here is your floor. So which one are you leaning toward? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun product comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.